Hi, so in this video that we're going to do more conditional formatting in Excel. So the first task you've been asked to do here is select cells H3 to H52, that's the discount percents here, and highlight anywhere. So if we're giving a large discount, so that's anything above 19% is considered a large discount. So we're going to select H3 to H52. So we have it selected like that. And then we're going to apply the conditional formatting. So on the Home tab, we click on Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than, and we just type in 19%. And OK, and you can see that they're highlighted. So that's the first bit completed. So the second thing says select cells C3 to C52, that's the dates, the sale dates here. Use conditional formatting to highlight in green sale dates in 2021. So we're going to select down here. So in here, we will select the area and we'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules between, and it has the dates in here. So we can type in 01, sorry, don't use those cells, 01 of the 1st, 2021, there it is, okay, to the 31st of the 12th, 2021. Okay, and we want this done in green. We don't want it in red, so we're going to choose green in here. So here you just put in the dates and it'll come up automatically for you. Okay, so they've come up for you. That's great. The next task number 3 then is G3 to G52. So that is the reg price in here. And here we're going to use the colour scales. So we're just going to select the data in here. And then we'll check again and see what it's asking us to do. So we want a colour scale that applies green for high values, white for medium, and red for low values. So conditional formatting, colour scales. And here, just so you understand what these pictures are, the top one shows you the high values. So this one is green, yellow, red. This one here is red for high values and green for low values. This one here is green for high values, white for medium, and red for low. That's what we want. Click this one over here. And here you can see the high value of 199 goes green. The medium value, the low values go red and sort of light pinks. And this is a medium value here, which is white. So that's us, and we've finished.